Alright, so here's a 2003 Ford Motorhome. This one, I don't know, it's Georgetown makes this motorhome. Built on a Ford F550 chassis, so it's Ford engine and everything. Um, but yeah, it's got the big ladder on top. I don't know anything about these things, just thought it was kind of interesting to look at it, see what's going on with it. Looks like it could use a little bit of work, maybe. 24,000 kilometers, that's it? Or is that miles? 24,000 miles. Okay, but still pretty low. Wow. That's all the photos there are of it? Is there a video? Hmm. There's another quick exterior video. Blue fog lights, I've noticed that before. It's interesting on this car. Or motorhome. Georgetown by Forest River. Hmm. Cool.